it's Sergeant Josh. Welcome to the Well-Rounded Warrior, and thanks for watching. All right, well, this video is for those of you who are out there that, due to certain changes in world events and things that have happened and all that, you've decided to get some training and some equipment. Well, the first thing I will tell you to do is go check out Carson's channel right here. All right, and the next thing you can do is you can check out James Yeager's channel right here. And then you can go to tacticalresponse.com and you can take a class, hopefully taught by Carson at Tactical Response. Now we've gotten that out of the way. One of the easiest things that you can do to equip yourself against trauma or gunshot wounds or anything like that is Tourniquet. This is, in my opinion, one of the most important life-saving devices that you can carry on your person. This particular model is made by Recon. You can find them on Amazon. These here came in a 4-pack, and I think it was like 30 bucks, 31 for delivered and all that. You can see here, I've got them staged how I want, and these are just a little bit different than the older c.a.t tourniquets, but the new c.a.t tourniquets are the same way with the single buckle there. So I'll show you how they come. They come just like this, right? I'll give you a date and the lot and how long they should last. They also come with a bag, a UV protective bag that will, if you decide to have them out in the sun, that bag will keep them from deteriorating in the sun. So first thing I like to do when I get one of these is feed this through the loop, right? So on this particular model, you can see the stitching right here. So I will get that stitching basically at the end of the buckle here and get it flat like that. All right, then I will pull it straight as I can get it there. You'll see there. Then, as I bump the camera, I'll hold it, fold it back. And these are new, and this is a new position for them, so they might fight you just a little bit. And you can see I didn't get it correct. A little farther down. And just fold it just like that. They'll eventually get used to the new shape, kind of like these. Next thing you do is you'll peel that over like so you can get your windlass out. Now, if you wanted to make them just a little bit flatter, you could take a Ranger band. In Carson's video, he talks about that. You can find that here. And they will pack just a little bit flatter. But then you do sacrifice some time trying to get that band off, and I choose not to stage mine like that. This will fit in a cargo pocket perfectly just like this, so that's how I run mine. All right, guys, appreciate you watching. If you like it, click the like button. If you like it enough to see it again, click the subscribe button. And just remember, when avoidance, deterrence, and de-escalation fail, a high rate of fire usually doesn't.